How to buy Limitless token. So this token came under the symbol of NZT48. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, go and check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGisco. To be able to buy this token, just scroll down and go to contracts. Now click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitcoin wallet for that. Go to your wallet and select the Solana as a network. Now click on this plus icon and now paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet and go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added, called NZT48. Now click on it. After that, click here on swap and now switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy NZT48 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.